Coconut is by far one of the most loved fruits in Jamaica. Whether it's enjoying the coconut water or the flesh of the fruit, tell me about it. Making coconut drops, whichever way you enjoy it. Coconut are the best. Young persons interested in farming are being encouraged to produce coconut and its byproducts by those in the industry through the Coconut Industry Board, who sells the best coconut water. To speak more on the topic, we are joined by Operations Manager for Michael Black Farms Limited, Zachary Black, and Noah Black. Hi, they're the producers of Miss Dawn's coconut oil.
Good morning, morning.
I have to ask first, who is Miss Dawn?
So Miss Dawn is our grandmother, my grandfather's late wife, my father's mother. So it was in honor of her that it's called Miss Dawn. So her legacy lives on.
Oh,
That nice.
yeah.
So, gentlemen, how did you start this business?
So
Take it away, Noah.
Yeah, we originally did coconut water, spring garden coconut water. The farm started about 40 years ago through my grandfather. So we're the third generation. Dad was lucky enough to travel to Philippines with the Coconut Industry Board in 2009. He traveled there and then he said to his father, he went and obviously found the newer style of coconuts, which is value-added products to the coconut. It's not just coconut water. And he came back in the early days and he said to his father, he's not happy with the margins of coconut water. So he said, we're going to put our foot into the coconut oil. And since 2009, we have been doing Miss Dawn's coconut water oil.
Wow. Jamaican cold pressed. What's the difference between the hot pressed? I know there's no hot pressed.
I'll let Noah take that.
Okay, so it's the technique that is done. There are no preservatives, no additives in the Miss Dawn's
Just
cold press.
real just coconut.
No additives, nothing. And it's not bleached, nothing. So it's a special process that we do to get it this way.
Yeah.
I remember when the explosion of virgin coconut oil happened, it's like almost 5 to 7-ish years ago. Where was that? Or was it before that? Could have been.
Yeah.
Could have been
Yes,
before
so
that.
it's been around, the boost of it, then there was a slight decline because of the competitive market. But then because of the health consciousness with everybody wants to eat fresh, to have a better lifestyle. So coconut oil has a lot of health benefits. It's a good cholesterol. It's good for heart health. There's a new research to help with Alzheimer's disease.
Really?
There's beauty aspect products, good for skin, good for hair. There's something called oil pulling where you put it in your mouth, rinse it around for 10, pulls out all the impurities, help with gum disease, teeth decay. So there's a lot of health benefits other than just it being so amazing to eat with.
Yeah,
So
there was go ahead, Sim.
Did you put you can put this on?
Yes.
Yes.
As is.
And then you hear everywhere.
What is it?
Because there was a time when they were trying to convince us that the other oil was the oil that everybody should buy and buy. But coconut, just come back and say, what are you talking about?
Wow.
What are you talking about?
And then when you cook with it, it reminds you of mama's cooking.
Yeah,
And
that's
so
a
rather
nice
than
smell.
preparing the coconut and that, you just go for Miss Dawn coconut oil and you put it in. And you don't need a lot of oil to cook. You just need a little bit, and then the aroma when you cook, it fills up the whole house.
Do you guys cook?
Yes.
Absolutely, yes.
Really?
We recently moved in, so.
Yes. Yes. So
On our own.
Yes, so he's recently engaged. I just got married in December.
Look at you.
Yes.
Look at you.
Gina, what's happening? Oh my God.
Dawn is the smiling Dawn and saying, look at my
nice.
little one.
Yeah.
So what's it been like navigating this business journey as young men? I mean, you're carrying on a legacy. There's no pressure, right? I mean, that on top of just remaining competitive in a very competitive market, not just locally, but you have to realize that you're international players. It's a big industry, right?
Yeah, huge.
But we have a competitive advantage because
Yes.
we are who we are.
So
How's that been?
Yeah.
So recently we did a lot of rebranding. So Noah and I had our own lines of work. We went into medical school. I've been advertising in Jamaica for many years. And through COVID, we decided that we want to return back to our roots. And we joined the company. And we've been rebranded Miss Dawn's. We've reached out to new avenues of production. We've recently signed and do distribution through massive distribution. So we're now available in 30 plus stores across Jamaica. from Kingston to Montego Bay. We have a lot of things coming in the pipeline, not just for oil, for other products that we're looking. We're 100% renewable, the farm, so there's zero waste, there's zero impact on the environment as we try. So we try to be as all natural, and we try to compete with a lot of the oils that you see. So a lot of the oils are imported into Jamaica. So we want to be a value added to the brand Jamaica and to put Jamaica on the map, not just for the amazing island it is, but for the products that we can.
Is it local market, or are you exporting?
We are
looking to export.
We're looking to export and expand more, but we are, as I said, we want to capture the local market first.
Want to conquer the local market first.
So tell me now, how does the Coconut Industry Board support and encourage you as young farmers in terms of the coconut farming sector?
Okay, so in many ways, to get the right seedlings, you want the best seedlings for your coconut, because it takes about 7 years before you get a bearing.
Wow.
Yeah, so you want the best seedlings. So through Coconut Board, you can get any seedlings at a small cost of $250 or $400, depending on the variety. They also have a lot of knowledge to different personnel there. They have many doctors, including Dr. Wallace and Dr. Myrie, which are my close ones there. I recently traveled to India through the Coconut Industry Board to make connections in order for different value-added products, which is in the pipeline. Everyone stand, look out, it's in the pipeline for different value-added products.
Yeah. So they have, Zachary, do they have specific training programs?
Yes, so we just finished a 5-day training seminar, which we had people from all over the Caribbean, Belize, Barbados, Trinidad, and we went through to see different farms. They came to the farm and we showed them what we had to offer. So we went through, as I said, with Dr. Wallace, with Dr. Myrie, talk about pest control, new diseases, new ways to prevent against this, new breeding that they're trying to do, new nurseries we're trying to. So there's a lot of technology based on new advances that they're finding. And I suggest, as anybody who's interested in starting, the Coconut Industry Board is a great place to use.
Does all of that training and so on help to mitigate, and the technology as well, the challenges that you all face? I mean, when your crops get attacked, that's one thing.
Yeah, so we through my grandfather, he discovered a method called the Black's method, which is known worldwide to control the lethal yellowing disease. We have conquered it. We have 750 acres of coconuts, about 80,000 trees, and we, from about 2002, we've only lost 1.5% due to using that method.
Really? What is the method?
So you have to identify the lethal yellowing tree first. There are different processes. Once you identify it, once the nuts start to drop, that's the first indication. And then the flowering starts to burn, that's the second indication. And then the yellowing starts. But that's already dead when you see the yellowing. So through the Coconut Industry Board, you can also get training. You can also reach out to me. I will leave my social media with the team. I'll help to identify. And then once you see that tree, you cut it, slash it, burn it. And then you just cut and destroy the tree.
Zachary, I'm watching as a young person and I'm thinking, oh Lord, Miss Dawn's coconut oil done gone ahead already. There's no way I can compete with that. But I want to get into coconuts. Are there other things that as a farmer I can look at doing?
Absolutely, but that's a good thing with coconut. There's so much stuff you can create. So it's not, as we said before, it's not just coconut water, it's not just coconut oil. It's the nut itself and coconut is such a unique product that you can create so much things. There's coir dust, there's coir fiber, there's the baking industry, which is very big now. So they use the coconut flakes, coconut powder, coconut sugar. There's so much added value with coconuts that it's limitless of what you can do. So not just keeping in the box of just 2 products or 3 products. There's so much range you can get into. And don't be discouraged because coconut takes so long and its farming is, not seen as the
sexy.
best.
It's not sexy.
Well,
young people.
If you look at us.
Zachary was like, wait, Simone. No.
So we try to, Noah and I want to work with the industry, with the government, wherever it is, to improve farming and to show that farming is not just what you think or what you see.
It's not the old lifestyle anymore. There are new innovative ways.
And lots of young people are jumping in. The face of farming is changing.
Advance of technology. We use a lot of technology in what we use with drones. We use it social media. Just a lot of things that's, when you see what a farmer did, what our grandfather did many years ago, we're putting new things that he's didn't know. He's like, what is this? And we're just like, try it. And he's like, wow, you just leave it to us.
So demand is good?
Yes,
gentlemen?
Very
absolutely.
good.
Very, very good.
Very good. We're looking to expand in the pipeline also.
Okay.
I love it. I love
If you
it.
need 2 assistants.
Wait, you can climb coconut?
Watch me now. I'm very nimble. I think that just went off the rails, gentlemen. I'm so sorry.
No problem.
That's fine.
This is a good time now for you to leave the socials because I'm not sure.
Please.
Sure what
Yes,
just happened.
so you can find us on Instagram at Michael Black Farms, or you can search Miss Dons. Massey also has it and carries it. You can find it, as I said, across the island, Coconut Industry Board, and over 30 outlets from Kingston to Montego Bay. Local supermarket should be having it.
Excellent.
Jinx.
Yeah.
We don't need to climb coconut tree again, though.
Oh, now you don't want
what-
to climb.
But the technology is such.
Oh, but a while ago you were nimble though.
No, I'm saying I can do it. I just don't have to. You don't have to crab up your leg if you can just ask the drone to drop it.
Wow.
Wow, Harris. She said she's my friend too, you know. Well done, gentlemen.
Thank you
and
so
all the
much.
best with this as you look to expand your scope. Gina has done well with you. Say good
And
morning to
Stephen.
your mother.
And big up to
Stephen.
Daddy.
Say good morning. Say good morning.
Morning,
Morning,
everyone.
everyone.
Better know. Operations manager for Michael Black Farms Limited, Zachary Black and Noah Black.
Yeah, after the break we're going to take a look at, is this pelagic fishing in Jamaica? It is.
Can catch fish too.
Well, yes. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Don't go anywhere. Or if you're going, can you take me with you?